Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today, we'll show you how to play Last War survival game on PC using an Android emulator for the best gaming experience. Step 1. Download and install BlueStacks from their official website. This Android emulator lets you run mobile games smoothly on your PC, and the installation process is quick and straightforward with their setup wizard. Step 2. Launch BlueStacks and sign in to your Google account through the Play Store. Search for Last War survival game, then download and install it just like you would on a mobile device. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 3. Optimize your emulator settings for better performance. Click the gear icon to access settings, allocate more CPU cores and RAM if your PC can handle it, and enable high FPS mode matching your monitor's refresh rate for smoother gameplay. Step 4. Configure your controls in both BlueStacks and the game settings. Enable gamepad detection if you're using a controller, and customize the keyboard mapping through the controls editor to suit your playstyle. Step 5. Adjust display settings for the best visual experience. Set your resolution to match your monitor, choose landscape orientation, and enable the FPS counter to monitor performance while playing Last War survival game. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more gaming and tech tutorials.